What's up guys, today's video is on the best backpacking gear. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number MSR Reactor Stove System. The Mr. Reactor Stove System is a stove that has both the convection and the radiant heating. These heaters just stand on a fuel canister. The radiation heater is an enclosed heater and the pot is attached to the stove, while the reactor comes in three sizes: 1 liter, 1.7 liters, and 2.5 liters. We prefer the middle of the road 1.7 liter size, which is ideal for a backpacking duo. That size weighs in at just over a pound. It's not the fault of the water that it boils a lot. It's the fault of the model. It's really quick. Its capacity is around 9,000 BTU per hour compared to the normal 7,000 BTU per hour. But for those who are looking to have a very fast boil and not much else, it is worth considering. Think alpinist boiling snow for water, or minimalist and speedy through hikers. For those looking for a smaller and more integrated system, but with half the BTU output, check out the Primus Lite Plus stove, which is a solid choice for the solo backpacker or minimalist duo. Pros: super fast boil, enough for multiple dehydrated meals at once. Lightweight and good packing size. Cons: does not come with any sort of stand. Number 4. Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XLite Sleeping Pad. Therm-a-Rest has a light backpacking sleeping pad with a thermoregulating mattress inside. Its weight can vary between a 1-pound model to a 2-pound model. Therm-a-Rest uses proprietary technology to simultaneously trap radiant heat while cutting convective heat loss. Sleeping pads are given an R-value rating for warmth, where 1.0 is a pad best used in warm conditions and a 5.5 plus is for extreme cold. This pad rates at a 4.2, so it's more of a cold weather pad. It also comes with a pump sack that Therm-a-Rest claims will speed up inflation and deflation. Our initial thoughts: this pad is warm. Our testers paired it with a 0-degree sleeping bag and had no problem staying warm when temps dipped into the teens. We put the sleep sheet on the ground, and with sharp objects like coniferous cones and rocks, we found no issues with puncturing. While the pump sack was cool, we really didn't see a major benefit in using it over the traditional mouth-to-valve style. We thought maybe we were doing something wrong, but multiple people tried with similar results. Overall, if you're looking for an extremely lightweight and warm pad for backpacking into 3 or 4 seasons, the NeoAir XLite is a good option. Pros: ultralight, packs down small. Cons: expensive. Didn't see a huge benefit in the pump sack. Number 3. Big Agnes Sidewinder SL20 Sleeping Bag. I am always having a problem with my sleeping bag while sleeping in backcountry, and I heard about Big Agnes. I wanted to try one. Big Agnes took their typical sleeping bag construction like nylon ripstop with a PFC-free water repellent, 650 fill-down tech, and a polyester taffeta lining, and then added savvy features for us side sleepers. There are body-mapped insulation points at the hips and feet, common pressure points for side sleepers. I've now used this sleeping bag for many nights with different sleeping pads with virtually no discomfort in the hips. The zipper was easy to move up and down, even while groggy in the middle of the night, and the pillow barn in the hood easily held my stuffed sack full of clothes, which is my go-to backcountry pillow. 2 complaints: the current models only go down to 20 degrees. I was definitely too cold at some nights in the high mountains, and I would like to see a 0-degree version. Second, I still had some shoulder pain. The boosted insulation in the hips and feet would also be good in the shoulders. Pros: the long ambidextrous zipper does feel and perform roomier than typical mummy bag. Tested well down and below 20 degrees. Cons: no sleep system compatibility. Number 2. I was really impressed by the UL2 from Mountain Hardwear. Many other users have the same experience. The UL2 is also a good tent for hiking in the Sierras. It is waterproof and does not let water in. Mountain Hardwear claims its Strato UL2 tent offers the most amount of space for weight in its class. And while virtually every ultralight 2-person tent on the market can feel cramped for 2 people, this one did feel a bit roomier by comparison. The spaciousness is boosted by the dual doors and vestibules, and the 3/4 mesh walls were ideal for stargazing. I'm not sure I can ever go back to a backpacking tent that doesn't have double doors and vestibules. It's crazy how such a simple-minded design evolution can boost a backpacking experience and increase space in the tent. We had no problem storing all of our gear underneath the vestibules, even in some sleet and snow in the Ansel Adams wilderness. While the solution dyed Rainfly said that the sleet and snow would fall without problems, a tent we tested on the same night had 0 condensation and ice appeared on it. It was not like you wanted. A major concern with new backcountry tents that weigh next to nothing is durability. We were pleasantly surprised that despite camping on sharp rocks and coniferous cones, the 30D nylon ripstop floor held up. All of this, and it has a meager packed weight of under 2.5 pounds. Pros: ability to separate out parts of the tent for packing, and weight distribution. Ultralight, intuitive and quick setup. Durable for a flyweight. Cons: could use more gear storage options. Didn't deal with moisture, condensation as well as other tents. Number 1. Deuter Futura AirTrek 50 plus 10 liters backpack. It's not often that one can fill up and put on a brand new pack, hike 20 miles worth of elevated terrain, and walk away with no hot spots, blisters, or sore shoulders or hips. But that's what happened the first time I put on Deuter's Futura AirTrek in the 60-liter size. Deuter's Futura Air Packs are named after Deuter's Air Comfort Sensic Vario ergonomically focused mesh back. The brand claims the arched profile frame helps transfer up to 70% of the weight to the hips. Now, that comfort does come with some added weight. For example, the hip straps are plush more so than many of the other packs we tested. At 4.5 pounds, it's certainly not a heavy pack, but ounce counters might want something lighter. On the other hand, this bag is super adjustable, has extra features and many cool features. The pack is very well made. The extra zipper that is placed in the front gives you access to the main compartment without having to open the top of the pack. I also like that this pack has a separate compartment at the bottom and zippered pockets on the hips for quick access to snacks, a pocket knife, or phone. It also comes with a rain fly. Pros: comfortable and good fit out of the box. Comes with a rain cover, U-shaped zipper for accessing the main compartment. Loads of back ventilation. Cons: not much. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.